Carmaker Volvo has had a tough time in recent years with losses and stagnating sales, but has invested $11 billion in new products and factories since being bought by China's Geely in 2010. Now it's unveiling its new SUV, the XC90, a car of huge importance for the Swedish carmaker.
The XC90 is Volvo's first product launch under Chinese ownership, but given that it wants to increase its sales from the current 450,000 cars a year to 800,000 by 2020, the XC90 is going to have to play a big part of that. So I asked its chief executive Håkan Samuelsson, would he call the XC90 a make or break model?
The XC90 is a very important car for Volvo. First, it's a car for a very important segment, a key segment for us, this big SUVs. Secondly, it's of course also the first car on the new architecture, and there will follow more cars on that.
Volvo has long been known as a not quite luxury car maker, not able to justify the same premiums as the Germans. But for the first time, the XC90 will be priced directly against the equivalent from BMW and Audi.
I think for Volvo, it's very important in the future to be a premium manufacturer. We have to deliver the Volvo premium attributes, and the profitability of the company requires, of course, higher margins, higher pricings, but that can only come by delivering an attractive premium products.
The first XC90 was made under the ownership of Ford of the US. The new one will be made under Geely. So I asked Mr. Samuelsson, how had Chinese ownership changed Volvo?
The new ownership of Geely since 2010 changed two things for the company. I think first of all, we are not a division anymore. We have a governance as a standalone company with the board and the owner representatives in the board. So I think that has changed a lot. Real company governance, more independence, we can act faster. Secondly, of course, I think we will have and have seen a privileged access to the Chinese market. So I think it would be very difficult to reach our goal of selling 200,000 cars in China if we didn't have this connection to China through the ownership.